Xilinx customers like performance per power. Versal has been designed for performance, but also with circuits that optimize performance per power. There are power islands that can turn off the power to any unused peripherals, and power domains that can turn off power to circuits from the power rails. The Power Advantage tool is a tool that helps you get the most benefit out of your designs. This tool measures the power on each rail of the VCK190 or VMK180. It runs independently from the Versal, so you can be running your own design. An engineer can view his power consumption at any time, so he can test his power-saving code. Or an engineer can just keep his eye on his power to make sure he stays on budget. This ability to test at any time beats waiting for the normal verification cycle, making debug much more efficient. The Power Advantage tool is implemented in Jupyter Notebook, a web-based Python command line that lets you play with the power data without needing to install tools or wait for compile times. For example, you could make continuous measurement with just a few lines of code. We can measure the power of any design running on the Versal. In this example, we'll be running the typical power states demo. This demo is a good starting point as it gives an example of using every common power management state. This example comes complete with pre-built binaries for VCK190 as well as VMK180 and includes the source code. We can see a state for full performance and a state where the full power domain is turned off. What do we see when we open up the script? We can change the cycle time from 30 seconds to 10 seconds. Most power commands are only 1 or 2 lines of code. That helps to keep things simple. Also, this script supports both Zinc UltraScale MPSoC as well as Versal ACAP. That's because the power management APIs are so similar. Now let's run and see what happens. Power domain management is not available until 2021.1, but this shows some of the early work on full power domain. It goes from full performance all the way to being turned off. There are good things coming, so we look forward to seeing some of these things at work in your own designs.